hair's a little crazier than normal today. My hair's a little crazier than normal today because I was trying for like 10 minutes to get it to do something and it refused, so we're just gonna move forward. So today we are working on lesson 86, and this lesson is all about multiplying multiples of 10 and 100. So I think that last week we talked kind of about multiplying by 1,000 and how when we do that we just add the zeros on the end. We're basically just doing that again, only we're looking at multiples of 10, so like 30, 40, 50, and multiples of 100, so 200, 300, 400, and just kind of reviewing how to do zeros. So yeah, let's jump in. First thing we're going to do is we're just going to go over what we do when we are multiplying with zeros. Take, for example, 40 times 30. There's a very long way that you could do this, but it's kind of tedious at this point, so we're not going to do that. We're just going to do basically mental math. So we're going to see that if we do 4 times 3, or 3 times 4, or whatever, it equals 12. We already know that. We know our multiplication well enough to know that. We have 12, and then we see that we have a 0 behind the 4 and a 0 behind the 3. We just chuck those two zeros into place behind our 12. Throw in your comma, and you're done. That's it. Really, you just multiply the digits that are not 0, and then you're going to throw the zeros on the end. That's this whole lesson. That's what it is. That's what it is. To give you another example of that, let's do word problems. In the weightlifting, oops, I didn't write down room. It's the weightlifting room. A football team lifted 80 pounds of weights 60 different times. How many pounds did the players lift altogether? So in this problem, we're doing 60 times 80 or 80 times 60, whatever. And we're gonna do the same thing as last time. We're gonna do the first digits that are not 0, multiply those guys together. So 6 times 8 is 48. Then we're going to see how many zeros we have in our problem. We've got one behind the 6 and the second one behind the 8. So that's 2 zeros. Throw them on the end. Write down your label. You're good. Your answer is now 4,800 pounds. Good job. Another word problem. A store has 30 ping pong paddles for sale at $7 each. How much money will the store receive if all of the paddles are sold? This time we are doing 30 times 7. We're going to do the same thing. We're going to multiply the digits that are not 0. 3 times 7, which equals 21. And then we're seeing how many zeros we have in our problem. It's only 1 0 behind our 3. So we slap that on, put in our label, which in this case is a $sign, and our answer is $210. Okay, and to show you how this would work with multiples of 100, I'm just going to do one really simple thing. I'm just going to do 400 times 700. Again, multiply the digits that are not zeros. So 4 times 7 is 28. Count up all the zeros that are in the problem. 1, 2, 3, 4. Slap them on the end there. Make sure you have your little comma in there. Box your answer because it makes it look pretty. And then you're good. Your answer is 280,000. And that's it. So, yes. All right, so that's all I've got for you. Yeah. So go ahead and work on lesson 86. If you didn't take last week's quiz, go ahead and do that. I haven't heard back from anyone about whether or not they would be able to attend a live meet this Thursday, either at 1 or 2 in the afternoon. Please let me know before Wednesday if you would like to do that, because if I don't hear anything by Wednesday, I have to start recording so that I can have the pre-made videos that I have been making so that I can have the next pre-made video ready for Thursday morning. So I need to know by Wednesday. So yeah,